This recipe for eggplant roll-ups is a very traditional Sicilian dish. It is one of the many taught by Italian cooking teacher and cookbook author Tosca Lonza on her family's estate about midway across the island of Sicily. Anna bases her cooking classes on the seasonal offerings of the farm and usually starts each day in the garden, determining which vegetables will be used to create fresh, healthy, and delicious recipes. Eggplants are sun and heat-loving vegetables in the same family as tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes. If you have access to growing eggplant, pick the fruits when full size is reached, but while the exterior is still a glossy purple. Once the exterior becomes a dull purple, the eggplant fruit is over-mature. Tomatoes from Anna's garden provide one of the staples of Sicilian cooking: fresh, nutritious, and full-flavored tomato sauce. Pick tomatoes when the skin still looks smooth and waxy, even if the top hasn't turned its mature color. This recipe blends eggplant with pasta, tomato sauce, 2 cheeses, and fresh mint leaves. Begin by slicing the eggplant across into pieces approximately 1/4 inch thick. Using just enough extra virgin olive oil to cover the slices, fry the eggplant until each piece is golden brown on each side. Drain the cooked slices on paper towels. Bring 2 quarts of lightly salted water to a boil. Use very thin angel hair pasta and only cook 2 minutes from the time the water comes to a boil. Drain the pasta in a colander, but don't rinse with water. Transfer the pasta to another clean bowl and stir in some fresh tomato puree or your favorite tomato sauce. Add about 2 to 3 ounces of fine grated parmesan cheese and continue to stir the mixture until well blended. Now it is time to combine the cooked eggplant slices with the pasta mixture. Prepare a casserole dish by adding tomato sauce until it covers the bottom and sprinkle generously with more Parmesan cheese. Take a small handful of the pasta mixture and a slice of the cooked eggplant and roll the eggplant around the pasta. Transfer each roll-up into the casserole dish and start to build a base with the roll-ups. Top the layer of roll-ups with thin slices of mozzarella cheese. Add some additional tomato sauce over the cheese and sprinkle some additional Parmesan cheese over the top of that. Top with fresh mint leaves. Place the dish into an oven preheated to 250 degrees and cook for about 15 minutes until the cheese is just beginning to melt. When you take it out of the oven, let it rest for about 5 minutes, then serve. Eggplant roll-ups, a simple, delicious, traditional Sicilian dish loaded with intense flavor.